Hi guys, I'll be showing you how to build a YouTube shout out wall using my code. First thing you need to do is download the repository from this link over here. So once you download it, what you need to do is double click it. It should open up this folder, and you need to drag and copy this folder to your desktop. And then what you'll do is you will be editing this file here. So if I right click this and click open with Notepad, click open, this will be the file that you'll be editing with a couple of details here and here. And to get the Nightbot token and the Google API keys, you'll have to follow a couple of steps to do that. So the first thing you want to do is visit Nightbot TV, so grab this link over here. You can also find it over here in the instructions for the GitHub page and go to it. So we'll just go to that really quickly. Log in with YouTube. I've just created a test account over here for this tutorial. So if you hit allow, that should set us up. What we'll do is we'll click join channel, copy this link over here, and head over to our community settings. Paste the moderator here and select save, so they'll just add Nightbot to our YouTube channel. And once that's saved, you can close that and move over to the next step. So the next step that you need to do is to set up the custom quote API system to integrate that with Nightbot. So if we select this over here, copy it, and we'll paste this link into our web browser. And what we need to do here is there's two options. You can either install it automatically or you can do a manual installation. So we'll just install it automatically, so you click on this link and this will work its magic, automatically add it to your Nightbot account after you hit allow. Okay, so now we know that these three commands have been added to our Nightbot account. So if you go to commands, custom, you should see them here. So you've got three commands here. So you've got add quote, delete quote, and quote. What we need to do now is create a fourth command, which is called wall, exclamation mark wall. So that's over here. So what we do is we just grab just this bit of code here, and we'll click add command, enter in your command name, put this in here, and now what you'll notice is we need to actually replace this bit of the code of this command here, your token here. So what we need to do is we need to go to our add quote command and copy the token from there. While we're here, we can obviously adjust the cooldown that we want to set. We can adjust the user level, so select everyone, hit submit. That command will get added, and what you need to do is you need to copy this code here. So everything before essentially this, I've seen a lot of people get this wrong and they will copy this bit here into their token as well. So what you need to do is grab your add quote token, copy that, so just copy, and then click edit on dash wall, and then come in here and replace this. So paste that there and then hit submit. So now we should have a working a token wall command here now that will work on our channel. The next step that you actually need to do is to get your Nightbot token and put it in here, and this will come from your quote command. So you shouldn't get the add quote token, you actually need to get the quote token here. So this can be found right here, and you just need to copy it up to the ampersand. So make sure you're not copying this. So we'll get this and we'll paste this in our config file. So we'll just paste that in there with the quotation marks around it. And this is just this config file is in that folder that you copied over here on your desktop. So right click this and open it with Notepad, and then you can save this. And now we can move on to getting our Google API key. So to get this, what you need to do is you need to, there's a guide over here that I've provided that you can use, and you can paste this in here and follow it step for step, as it will take you through everything you need to do to get your API key. It's pretty simple, and once you get to the end of it, you should have an API key. So follow this link, go to Google Developers, and then after you've logged, you should make sure you're logged into Google, and you can actually type in here YouTube Data API, and it should come up here like that. That's there. What you need to do is you need to click second link here and create a project. So we'll go ahead and we'll create that project. You can call this whatever you like, as long as project name isn't taken up already. We just wait for this to finish. We can move on. Just checking that I'm still recording. Yep. Okay, this is taking a bit longer than I thought it would, but I guess what we can do is we can test that our command that we made in Nightbot is set up appropriately or not. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab this command over here and paste it in your browser like this, and now we'll have to replace this over here with your add quote token. So go back to Nightbot, grab that token there, and then once you put that in there, if you hit enter, it should say, okay, so that I've made a mistake there. So data equals there. It now shows successfully added entry number 1. And we'll go back here. This still has that one. Let's just refresh that. It's just running very slow. Google's being a bit slow, so what we need to do is add a project name here. We'll call it YouTube Shoutout or Test. We'll click create, and now that the project has been created, hopefully. Creating it, taking a long time for some reason. So click that, and now we're into our project, and what we now need to do is enable an API and service. So search for YouTube Data API, we click on this one over here, and this should pop up. Enable it. And now that that is enabled, what you'll have to do is create the API key. And to do that, it's very simple. Just click on credentials and configure. What you need to do is you need to click plus create credential, and then click YouTube Data API, select web browser JavaScript, click public data, and then select what credentials do I need. And here, over here is our API key. And what you'll do is you grab that, paste that over here and save that. So just click File, Save, and now we should have a working YouTube shoutout wall. So we'll just open a new browser and open this in here, and what you should see is my channel is showing up and a bunch of other channels are showing up. Now if you go into your live stream on YouTube, find a stream like shoutout wall, you can see working examples online. And so we'll look at Xlos here. He's got a shoutout stream, and if you go and type dash wall, it'll automatically get detected and you'll get put on like that. So it's really not that hard. All you have to do is a couple of steps and you're set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys, and like, subscribe, comment, and I hope you guys have fun with your walls. Thank you very much for watching.